Today for my Sunday dinner, I'm going to use my Ninja Foodi and I'm going to make a cheeseburger pasta bake with rigatoni. You wait to see how good this is going to be. First this is almost a pound of hamburgers. They'd be good hamburgers. But I'm going to turn this on and I'm going to put sear saute mode on high. Start. Warm that up and brown my ground beef. While I'm browning that, I'm going to cut up big white onion and about 4 or 5 cloves of garlic. This is fresh mozzarella. Look at that. That's going to be for the very end. I also have sharp cheddar cheese, which I'm going to put in after the pressure cooking process. You'll see that. And 24 ounces of Parmesan Romano sauce. It's all going to be good. It's going to be so good. Alright, let this warm up. I'm going to put these hamburgers in there. I had sausage too I was going to use. You could use anything you want for this excellent, delicious recipe. Ooh, hear that? Let me put these in there right away. Let's see what's going on. Break them up. Yeah. You could put more hamburger if you want. Could put hamburger and sausage, or chicken, or no meat at all if you don't want any meat. While it's browning, I'm going to cut the onion and the garlic. Okay, just put this mozzarella aside because that's for the ending. That's going to be great. I'm going to cut these up quick. You like these white onions? Careful! Browning up nice and quick. That's a strong white onion, isn't it?
Oh yeah. It's making me cry.
Well, you'll have tears of joy when you eat this. It smells good too. We're going to use both functions today, the pressure cook function and the tender crisp function. Because I like my pasta nice and cheesy and baked on top. You know what I mean? You're going to see. I'm going to cancel my sear and saute mode right now. Stop. Okay. That'll be good. Now I'm going to add a jar of Parmesan Romano. A whole jar. I'm going to add a half a jar of water to start with. Shake it up. Because we want our pasta to be covered in liquid. So if I need more, I'm going to add more. That's the rule for pressure cooking pasta. We want it to be wet. You want them to all be wet. A little bit more there. That's a little over a pound because this says 500 grams. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit more of my water. We don't want too much. I'm going to add a little bit more water. Okay, so that's about 3/4 of a jar of water, or cut in half. See, I could have put my sausage in here with this, but this is going to be good. This is going to be delicious Sunday dinner. But I made bread yesterday too. I'm going to have some of that. Let's put our lid on, our pressure cooking lid. I forgot my salt and pepper. Don't yell at me. Salt, pepper, whatever you like here. You can put oregano, parsley, thyme, whatever you like. Let's go down here to pressure. high pressure for 7 minutes. And we'll come up to pressure pretty quick because it's warm in there. And press start. There we go. See, pressure function. And then you wait. I'm going to add this cheese. When the pressure's done, I'm going to add the cheese. You know what? I forgot my onions and garlic too. Hang on. Hang on. You got me so excited. You probably saw that, didn't you? Remember that white onion and the garlic? How could I forget? That fixes it up. Look at it now. Yeah, that fixes it up. Whoa. I get so excited and then I turn my head and I see onions on the table. Okay. Where were we? Good news is, didn't come up to pressure yet and we can just continue. Pressure, high, time, 7 minutes, press start. And what I was going to say is, when it's done with the pressure cooking and the pasta is cooked, then I'm going to stir in my sharp cheddar cheese. Because if I put it in now, it's going to be pretty much liquid at the end. And I'm going to top it with some thin slices of mozzarella. Okay, we'll be back soon. That's going to spin around till it reaches pressure, then it'll count down 7 minutes. Delicious. Make sure you're in pressure mode back here too, which I am. Right, a little over a minute remaining. I like how this counts the seconds down too. Very convenient that way. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you. Let's release the pressure. Hey. And I'll be back when the pressure's out. Boy, it sure smells good. You see, this goes into a keep warm mode then, and it counts down how many minutes it was in keep warm mode, in case you're not home, or you let it release naturally. But I'm going to cancel that because I'm going to use the crisping lid in the next step of this delicious meal. Oh, it looks so good. It looks so good. I saw it. Did you see it? You can see it. Watch. And it smells so good. My rigatoni. Look at that. Mmm. So, remember what I'm going to do now? Well. Now, it's perfect. That rigatoni is done perfectly. I'm going to add about a cup of sharp cheddar cheese, shredded, into this mix, just to get it all cheesy throughout. I know you like it. Okay. And you know that's going to melt by itself. So if you stopped right here, it would be a perfect meal. But I'm not stopping right here. I'm going to do this. And you're going to like this even better. Watch. Got my fresh sliced mozzarella cheese over here. Put that down like that. And now I'm going to close my Tender Crisp lid. Look at this. I'm going to go to Air Crisp right here. Air Crisp 390. We'll try that for time. Let's see. 20. No, we're going to go about 6 or 7 minutes. But we can peek. Listen. See? It says lift the lid to sneak a peek, so we're going to look at this in about 3 minutes. I want it brown and bubbly on top. How about you? I'll let you look in there when I sneak a peek in about 2 minutes. You want to sneak a quick peek? Oh, all right. Continue. Almost 2 minutes remaining. What do you think of it now? You can stop it right there. I like to get it a little brown. I like it brown, even if my noodles get a little crispied up on top. I like it like that. You can stop it right now. I'm going to go that extra minute and a half here. Cool, baby, cool. Should I let it cool? I don't want it cool. Wait a minute, look at this on there. Too anxious. All right, done. Oh, I love it. I would take it browner yet, but I'm going to take it just like that. Look, isn't that great? Let me put some of that on a plate for myself. Remember, this is our Sunday dinner. I'm just going to sample it on a plate right now until our guests arrive. Spoon. And if you think the best part is on the top with the cheese, when you get the top layer off, put some more cheese on and close that air crisp lid. Look. Remember all the cheese down inside too? All that sharp cheddar down inside? I like the cheesy part on top. With my homemade Italian bread. Here we go, hang on. How do you like it? Like that? You like it like that? Where's my fork? Here's my fork. Look. A little brown. Oh, the hamburger in there. Look at the hamburger. Oh boy. Hey, onion, garlic. Since we put the onion and garlic in during the pressure mode, it all infused and somewhat dissolved into the whole flavor profile. So another easy Ninja Foodi recipe. One pot meal. Whatever you have laying around, whatever kind of pasta you have, or meat, or no meat, or cheese. Oh, it's so good. There's my homemade bread. Thanks for watching, and try this in your Ninja Foodi. Please subscribe. And will you see what's for dessert? Talk to you later. Have a nice day.